Díomh. This budget is like no other. Recovering from the pandemic, most parts of society and households across our society were struck by a second crisis, the dual impact of rising costs of living and energy bills. Budget 2023 is framed by this. I want sectors under my department to continue to recover and grow. Funding I have secured will help maintain and develop capacity in tourism and ensure that our arts, artists, our audiovisual industry and national cultural institutions are sustained. It will provide increased support for the Gaeltacht and Irish language sector and will continue to support the sports sector and sustain Irish sporting life while providing brand new supports for our broadcasting and media sector. Some new funds will drive reform and open exciting avenues for sectors. They may define new terrain for the next generation, particularly in media and the arts. tríd ngéarchéim dheireanach. éireoidh linn, gabháil, tríd gceann chomh, le chéile.